like the worst floor I've ever seen.
Start getting shimtastic here. Make this thing happen. Hey, we just pulled into the apartment complex we're going to be working at. We're going to be working upstairs, taking this RTA kitchen in. It's our first RTA kitchen, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see you on the job site. We'll give you a quick walkthrough. Here's where we're going through the complex, in the front door, and then we got this flight of stairs here. We're going up. Be a lot of trips up the stairs, up these stairs here, and into the room here. This is the room the kitchen will be in. And then we have our basic box of screws. We use this for pretty much every install. We have 2-inch, I guess these are multi-head almond screws. We have our 1.25-inch frame screws, which we'll be using these to probably cabinet to cabinet because these are only 1/2-inch plywood sides. We have a 2-inch construction screw, just regular 1.25-inch drywall screws, 3/4-inch pan heads for doing cabinet hardware, and then 3/4-inch wood screw square drive that we use for miscellaneous. And that's pretty much it. Those are what we'll be using on this install. Also, we have our laser level set up right over here. We're going to be using our cabinet jacks here, which we'll show you those. Those are an amazing tool to have on the site. And that's really it, other than drills and drivers. Right now we're determining our high point and low point of the two walls here. Looks like we're what, 2 inches out, would you say?
Yeah, it's 2 inches. Well, like 3 inches. It's crazy that it slips that much.
I said 5.5, 20 to 8.
You gotta subtract a quarter from the scratch.
That's 9.
You gotta subtract a quarter from the scratch.
Oh.
It's probably more than that.
No,
1/2 inch. These are 1/4-inch scratches what you're in.
is it 1/4?
Yep. That's actually 5. You know, you really should get one. You should invest in one. You should invest in a pencil. Do you remember what the measurements were?
4.5, 19 and 8.
Oh, you're good.
In the corner. Hey, if you're interested in what we're doing, please take the time. Doesn't cost you anything. Hit that subscribe button, comment, and like and share if you like what we're doing. See you on the job site.
Hey, hello. That's your pipe to the wall? Yeah, pretty much on the wall counts.
You know what I gotta say about this? It looks nice with the doors off. You know, you don't have hanging strips that you see. The only bad thing about this, you don't have as much interior cabinet space with that back. This far forward.
Yeah. I don't mind it. I think it's
We had to cut this base platform off here so we could get it through the doorway. Now we're getting ready to fasten it back together so we can flip it over and get it in place. That was the toughest cabinet we had to do. Let's get this back together. One of those angle brackets you have fit here.
Oh, probably, yeah.
That'll be all we need.
All we can do. Hey, you moved it. Look at that. Let's flip it up. Oh, we can't rest on that.
We definitely want to get this shut from here before we get too far.
Why are we not getting our way back?
We are all the way back. What? Yeah, man, that is. Here on this wall, we're dropping from an inch on this side to about 3 inches high. We got to raise it on this side. And over here, it's flat on the floor. So to get it to go from flat on the floor to 3 inches high, over here, we're gonna have to add some serious shims. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting shim-tastic here, make this thing happen. I'm gonna go do some walking.
It's actually probably the worst floor I've ever seen.
Yeah. If we should take these up to get them out of the way, or just kind of throw them off to the side.
Man, I don't think not.
Get them up there.
I hope for those two pieces are enough though.
We're gonna be doing the other downstairs anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, let's head up, see what we got. Do a little ice skating. Ooh. That'll make it a little bit sketchy. It's a little slippery. A little bit. You're about to go about 3 feet through the window.
That's not that bad. Looks like marble.
Yeah.
That was a hard one to get up. Now we gotta do the easy. Yeah, now we gotta do the easy one.
Now you gotta do the
I
easy
hear
one.
you.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Yeah, we have a side splash and a backsplash for there,
Yeah, okay.
and then 2 backsplash for here.
Good deal.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Worked out okay then? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, I like it. Looks good.
We're kind of hoping this one fits okay because remember when I was talking about the template falling apart?
Yeah.
It
Did
did.
it fall apart?
Somewhat. Yeah, we kind of we're like, okay, we know kind of where this goes. So
Yeah. Hard to tell, huh?
yeah,
Soon.
yeah, pretty soon. Yeah, we got to get that Lazy Susan shelf in there because if we don't put it in now, it won't go in.
Oh, before the countertop?
Yeah, this one here. Yeah, it
That's a big shot.
without cutting it in pieces, and then it's hard. To, it doesn't fit right. It doesn't. That shelf. That unscrew that.
Well, doesn't.
Yeah.
Think we can go.
Measure how high that hole is. Or...
Well, I think you got to drop it down.
The cabinets are going the same height.
I don't know if we go like this.
They should be. Yeah, they should be.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know how high that's
Actually, I can open the
down
door.
there compared to the height of this. But it should be about the same height.
Yeah.
No.
Yep. I mean, we got it.
That is exactly why I don't like them.
I think that's why they make this here. So you unscrew it here, and you slide it in.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, so here we're going to be putting the backsplashes on. These backsplashes, we have them cut out so that we have the back recessed here. We're going to put screws down in here, pre-drill and put screws in here. Then we're going to put clips along the wall, and we're going to hammer these into the clips. It's the best way to get the counter to be tight to the wall. But first, by doing this, we're going to start by using this. Should right here. I'm going to throw a couple holes in. I'm putting the screws in here with a specific bit that sets the screw in so that it's flush with the bottom edge of the laminate so that only the laminate comes in contact with the countertop, sliding the screw under the clip. Okay, once you get all this screwed in, we're going to take these and line it up. So these line up with the screws. I just put a bead along the edge of the clip and then along the wall, and that holds the backsplash to the wall and makes a waterproof seal. And once you get that ready, we're just going to take this block of wood here, lock it in place. It is the same process here of aligning the screws with the clips, screwing the clips down, and then also siliconing the backsplash and the wall, tapping the backsplash in and getting it tight.